I've been using the Ramp business card for the past few months, and if your business is growing fast or spending heavily on operations, this card might feel like a secret advantage. It's not just a credit card, it's an expense automation platform disguised as one. But here's the real question: is Ramp only for venture-backed startups, or can small, lean businesses benefit too? Let's break it down. Ramp is more than a credit card. It's a corporate charge card combined with an expense management system built to help businesses save money and scale smarter. Here's what it offers: 1.5% unlimited cash back on every purchase, no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no personal credit check. No interest, balances must be paid in full each month, seamless integration with QuickBooks, Xero, NetSuite, and other major accounting tools, AI-powered insights that identify and reduce wasteful spending, unlimited virtual and employee cards with built-in expense controls, real-time reporting, receipt matching, and quick onboarding in under 5 minutes. It's essentially like having a finance team built into your credit card. Ramp was clearly made for modern businesses. The flat 1.5% cashback is simple and transparent, no confusing categories or bonus hoops. Expense tracking and automation are exceptional. You can set spending limits, block merchants, and monitor every transaction instantly. It's great for both startups and established businesses. Plus, with no fees and flexible card controls, it's low risk to try, even at scale. Before you apply, here are a few things to consider. It's a charge card, so you must pay in full each month.